Good morning, children. I hope all of you are fine at home. So, let's start today's maths class. Children, today we are going to learn about fractions. So, let's take an example to understand this. There is a lady named Sandy. Sandy has a pizza and she loves pizza. But then her friend Sham came and he is so hungry. So Sandy splits the pizza in half. She divides the pizza in two equal parts and each of them gets one half of the pizza. So children, remember a fraction is something that shows parts of a whole. So each of them gets one half. So see here how the fraction looks like. Here we have 1, then we had a 1 line and then we have 2. This is the fraction 1 half. Here bottom number shows total number of parts and the top number shows how many parts we are talking about. So children, let's go back to our example. There are total 2 parts of pizza, right? So we write 2 at the bottom and Sandy just gets 1 part. Out of 2 parts, Sandy gets 1 part. So we write 1 at the top. So this is 1 by 2, or we can say that 1 upon 2. Children, the bottom number of the fraction is called denominator. The denominator is the total number of parts and the top number is called numerator. The numerator tells us how many parts we are talking about. So children, let's try this example. Let's divide the pizza into 4 parts. Since we divide this pizza into 4 parts, means in total there are 4 parts. So in denominator we write 4. Now let's say a girl Pooja wants 1 part of the pizza. So the numerator or the top number is 1 because Pooja is having 1 part of the pizza. So it means Pooja is having 1/4 of the pizza. Now children, let's take another example. There are 5 pets, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. There are 5 pets and 2 of them are dogs and 3 of them are cats. Now, what fraction of them are cats? So, since the total number of pets are 5, so we write 5 in the denominator. And since we are asking for fraction of cats, so the cats are 3. So, 3 is the numerator. So, the fraction is 3 by 5. Right, children? So, let's see this picture. This circle has 6 parts. This circle has 6 parts. And now if we want to find out the fraction of this shaded part. Now the shaded parts are 4. Shaded part means the parts having yellow color. Since the total parts are 6, so we write 6 in the denominator. And since we are talking about the fraction of yellow parts, so the yellow parts are 4, so we write 4 in the numerator. So the fraction becomes 4 by 6. Now let's see this example. See this first circle. This circle is divided into 2 parts. So the total parts are 2 and the shaded part is 1. So the fraction becomes 1 by 2. In these three pictures, we have to find out the fraction of shaded part. Now see the second picture. The total parts are 4 and the shaded part is 1. So the fraction becomes 1 by 4. Similarly, see the third picture. The total parts are 3 and the shaded part is 1. So the fraction is 1 by 3. So in the similar way, say this example. This is a circle having 4 parts, 4 equal parts. So we write 4 at the denominator and one part is shaded. So we write 1 at the numerator. Now children, when something is divided into two equal parts, we call them halves. So in this picture, total parts are 2 and one part is shaded. So we write 1 in the numerator. So the fraction of the shaded part is 1 by 2. Right? Now see this example. In this circle, total parts are 3 and shaded part is 1. So the fraction becomes 1 by 3. In the same way, in this picture, total parts are 3 and the shaded parts are 2. So the fraction becomes 2 by 3. So children, a fraction is something that shows parts of a whole. In this fraction, top part is the numerator and the bottom part is the denominator. So children, fractions are used in many places in our everyday lives, right? So take a look at these and see if you can find any of these fractions around you. So thank you children and all the best. Bye bye.